BSI, we understand the challenges that manufacturers like you face. You spend years perfecting your products, but once they leave your manufacturing plant, they are out of your control. It becomes difficult to ensure the right people receive accurate product information, which is necessary to maintain the highest levels of safety and protect your reputation. This is why we developed BSI Identify, a game-changing solution for the built environment. BSI Identify is designed to help manufacturers solve the challenges of product traceability in the supply chain by creating a link that connects you with your customers and users of your products. BSI Identify issues manufacturers with a unique, enduring, and traceable identifier called a BSI UPin. This one-of-a-kind, unchanging reference is your product's digital fingerprint, providing sustainable, resilient, and auditable asset identification. Each BSI UPin is a smart link that, when used or scanned, directs users to a searchable registry. There they can find up-to-date product information, along with just about everything else you choose to share. BSI Identify bridges the gap between product and related information, providing your customers and users with a single definitive source of information about your products. They benefit from the simple and open platform, as well as improved product visibility across the supply chain. BSI Identify is good for your business, good for your customers, and good for the sector. But don't just take our word for it. BSI Identify is championed by experts and supported and respected across the built environment. Join the revolution. Get in touch today to find out more about BSI Identify.